there, I hope you're doing good. I'm Jared Gillis. This is All About RVs, and today we're doing something a little bit different. Something that's a little outside of my comfort zone. It's gonna be slightly vlogish, which is not typical of what we have on here. We actually had a vlog a while back, and we weren't that entertaining, so nobody hardly watched it. That's the funny thing. We'll see if we can make this one a little bit better. The great thing is this is like storytelling fail 101 because I don't have any footage to tell you the story that I'm telling you. So we actually had a how-to or more of a gear guide video that you would typically see on this channel planned for you. I actually filmed it, was putting it together, but it just didn't quite fit for me. Just thinking about everything that's going on, I didn't want it to come across disingenuous or like I'm ignoring a problem. And so I put all this work into it, and then I just scrapped the whole thing. I just got rid of it. Good or bad, that's what I ended up doing. So as of last week, we were still in Southern California. We were on a trip, traveling around, and with everything that was happening, we decided, like most full-time RVers, where do we need to go so that we can be safe and prepare and to be able to do everything that we need to play our role. So obviously we were gonna get back to our home state, which is Arizona. So we decided to make that change, go back to Arizona, and we just had one little hurdle. Our cat was ridiculously sick. She was just getting worse and worse. We were keeping an eye on her. We ended up having to take her to the vet there. They wanted to hospitalize her, but we needed to get back here just because of everything that's going on. So we were able to get her some medicine. She's doing much better now. I always make the joke that the cat is my wife's cat. I'm more of a dog person, but come on, I still like the cat. I still love the cat. She's a lot of fun. So this is Mobrick. It appears that she had some kind of an infection. Antibiotics were able to kick it out. But Mobrick, the name comes from one of the villains in one of our favorite books, the Wingfeather Saga. My wife likes to pick funny names. Mobrick, our previous cat, was Odie. Go figure. Now, along with that, in true RV fashion, we had a little bit of problems with our suspension on the RV, some things that I needed to swap out to keep going. And so it wasn't a huge deal, but it did take a little bit of time this week. So took care of that, and we got pulled into a new RV park today. The neat thing is when we pulled in, we got to meet this really nice family from Minnesota. They were super encouraging, and they were just saying what the videos meant and how they've helped them. And for me, that was super encouraging. I mean, it was a little bit awkward. They weren't awkward, but just the whole social distancing, trying to meet somebody and have a conversation from a large distance is always awkward. I don't know how to navigate those kind of things nowadays. I guess I'm just an awkward person. But that just made me think today that I ended up scrapping a video for this weekend that wasn't the normal narrative that we're hearing every day about what's going on in the world and what's being shut down and what is changing. And I thought, you know what? That was probably a bad idea. I should have kept that video, and I should probably be doing more videos to give a little bit different narrative out there. Not necessarily narrative, but something else to watch, something else to do, and not have the same thing just pounding us all the time, because that's part of what's fed into the fear and the paranoia. Yes, we want to take it serious, we want to play our part, but at the same time, not focusing on it and letting fear and paranoia drive things isn't always a good thing. So being able to put out videos that maybe take your mind off of it or give you something else to think about could be a good thing. So that's what my plan is for the next few weeks. So that being said, I have videos planned of topics of the typical tutorials or gear or reviews or those kind of things, but I'm also going to probably sprinkle in a few vlog type of things that really aren't anything in particular or that amazing or wowing, but could just be something fun to watch. So whether it's installing something really simple on the RV, just kind of go through that process and more of a vlog style. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. And if you're not interested in the vlog stuff, super easy to skip. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if we don't see you on the road, then hopefully we will see you in the next video. Guys, take care. Everybody in our family is doing really good. We're staying healthy. The one thing that I have is spring fever. I mean, this green grass, the water from the snow melt, spring fever is hitting me hard.